it's Alicia. Today I am finally getting around to a video request that I have from Sharon. Let's get started. So we're going to start off with our uniquely creative die, UCD 1801, the circle cover plate die. We've got some 12 by 12 white cardstock, and we've got the sequins from the uniquely creative kit for the month of September. I've chosen a white cardstock because I think that will be nice to see the red and green sequins up against. Our next job is to choose the colour that we want to go at the front of the card. And then this will be the front of our card. Now the other thing you need for a shaker card is a piece of acetate or plastic. Now once I have cut the acetate to fit the die cut, I need to put some tape onto the back. So I got there in the end. I had very sticky fingers and I had glitter going everywhere, sequins going everywhere, but I'm proud of this. I made this shaker card and it worked. And it's quite cute. I like how it has just minimal embellishments because the main focus of this card is the sequins and the shaker part of it. So there we go, Sharon. That's especially for you, and for anyone else who has this uniquely creative die and wants to make a Christmas shaker card, or this could be turned into a birthday shaker card or any type of shaker card. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hop on over to my blog www.papercraftsecrets.com.au to print off the free PDF instructions, and I wish you a lovely crafty day.